So this is our 6 kVA hybrid inverter with 15 kilowatts lithium battery. So this is our ice block machine. So you can see, let me open the freezer for you. See, it's working now. It's freezing. You can see it's freezing. I'm still working on it. It's working perfectly. So now from our inverter we are just consuming 1.28 kilowatts, 1.3 kilowatts we are just consuming on our inverter. You can see, so it's powering the ice block machine. So our compressor is outside. So yeah, our compressor, we are working on the compressor.